Have you got a customer that you dread seeing in the barbershop? Do you panic when you see their name on your booking system? Everyone has that one customer that makes them shake when they see their name. But look, it's all about mentality. If you can control your thinking, you can take away that fear, take away that anxiety, regardless of how bad or how uncomfortable that customer makes you feel. If you get your mentality right, you'll be able to deal with them comfortably and happily. You need to change your thinking and realise, yes, this person is difficult, this person's hard work, I hate to see their name on my booking system. But look, start telling yourself, right then, the awkward customer's in today, so I'm going to do my very best to take as much money off him as I can. I'm going to try and upsell him to products, I'm going to try and upsell him for more services, I'm going to trim his eyebrows, I'm going to trim their beard, I'm going to do whatever I can to take as much money off them as I possibly can. I'm going to make them worry when they come to my barbershop because they're going to be leaving with no money because I'm going to upsell them to every single product that I possibly can. Change your thinking, use that awkward customer as an experience to learn and to grow, build patience. And actually, if there's new techniques or methods that you want to try it out on them. Because worst case scenario, if you mess their hair up or make a mistake, they're not going to come back. And I bet you'd be glad. So use these customers, the awkward customers, the ones that we hate seeing, as a chance to learn, as a chance to grow, try out new techniques on them, and don't be scared to make a mistake, because if they're not happy, then it's quits, because they don't make you happy. But most of all, try and get as much money out of them as you can, and I guarantee you, they'll either leave you alone or they'll change their ways. Don't be scared. Change your mentality, embrace these bad customers, and learn from them, grow from them. But one thing I will say, if they're inappropriate, if they're rude to you, or they're offensive in any way, you tell that customer, I'm refusing to cut your hair, and I'd like you to leave my barbershop. Don't put up with any nonsense, don't put up with any rudeness or inappropriate behaviour. But if they're just a little bit quirky, maybe they ask silly questions, or they're just really, really fussy, or they're really, really picky, then don't hate them, but use them as a chance to develop and grow. If someone says to you, look, this person's going to be very, very rude for you for 20 minutes to half hour, but they're going to give you 20 quid at the end of it, are you going to take that? You're going to say, yeah, easy money. I'll let them be rude to me. Doesn't make no difference to me. Then it's the same thing. Let this customer come in, let them be awkward, let them be annoying, let them frustrate you, but just tell yourself, I'm taking your money, baby. Get that in your head. Don't panic. Don't worry. But if you can upsell them, if you can get more money out of them, if you can frustrate them a little bit back, then I bet you they'll change. Give it a go. Embrace these bad customers. Go and get their money.